All right, folks, short and sweet tonight because this is my ping pong night. And so I've got to leave shortly after the closing bell. I may hang out a little bit and see if I can catch some trades, but I need to get the video done because I won't be able to do it later. All right, so anyway, that said, SPY was pretty choppy today. Had a nasty sell-off, then a bounce, but after an early, it was just choppy, right? Let me go back to the daily. Overall, still pretty darn close to all-time highs, though, right? I'll just cover a couple. Late in the day, Kevin P gave us all PFAI over 4, which triggered right there. I mean, it almost went to 5 in about 10 or 15 minutes. Again, we're still trading. There's still 20 minutes left in the day, so you'll see the charts moving. That was on 20 cents risk, though. That was a great call. Sahil may get the call of the day again. Although percentage-wise, Kevin P might have got it. But he gave AMDL. We'll zoom in a little bit here. Just back through 19, right there, over 19, and it never looked back. Those are the entries we look for, right? Stuff that's just going to take off and go. And that's it. I want to get to the watch list because I got to get out of here. So what are we watching for tomorrow? STUB, not in love with this. Recent IPO, but it's kind of little cup and sort of a handle. The handle should be closer to recent highs, but over this area is interesting. I stumbled across it today, so we'll see. SANA, probably my top watch tomorrow. Eric Jackson came out with a tweet about it. And massive volume, and it looks like it's going to close pretty strong. This could be a multi-day runner, so that one definitely goes on watch. PFAI, I already talked about this one, hit all-time highs today, all because of Kevin P. That one goes on watch. SLNH, also a nice breakout today on pretty good volume. FOSL, rumored to have like an IPO on the division in India or something along those lines. It looks like it's set to close well off the highs, but that's really good volume, so we want to watch that one. IRBT's been touted as a turnaround company and also had massive volume today. Looks to be closing off the highs. KYTX, just up near recent highs. Not in love with that one. It's a lower volume play. I'd be comfortable taking that one off the list. RKDA, I'm throwing that one on there too. It ran in pre-market or after hours yesterday with PFAI, and it's actually holding up pretty well, right? So we want to watch that one. It's tiny float. MIGI, absolute rip today. By the way, I'm gonna be watching that one in after hours. WTTR also breaking out on strong volume. GWH, I'm just gonna put on bounce watch, another down day, but kind of a narrow range. CRML, I'm gonna put some of the rare earths on watch for a potential turn back up. They've taken a pretty good hit in 2 sessions. So that one and USAR are 2 that I've chosen. Couple big red days. And then, well, here's the third one, NB. So those 3 are on bounce watch. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the pre-market, and we'll add some gappers to this list. Have a great night.